And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Being felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. Girls, and we can play.
How my girls doing? I'm feeling great. I hope you're feeling great too. Actually, I'm not feeling great. I am feeling very sad. Maybe because it is my girl time of the month, but you know how those emotions be. Those are the worst. But definitely tell me how you're feeling in the comments, because I want to know. It's time to get these nails together. Okay, look at them. I got them done. Hold on, will it focus? I got them done, let's say, I was in Chicago maybe like 2 weeks ago. Maybe. But aren't they so cute? Like, they were such a cute set, and we really just wanted to be like out of the box. They gotta be redone. Technically, they are acrylic, so I know a little bit about doing acrylic nails, and I feel like I can do this. I love doing my nails, so this is honestly gonna be so much fun. I bought like pearl chrome powders, so it's kind of like an iridescent pearl type of look. I also have this line art gel polish. I forgot what color I got it in, but I'm pretty sure it's silver. So I was either gonna do the beachy look, or I was going to do the chrome 3D look. So kind of similar to this nail, and kind of like different abstract, different abstract designs. That's really what I want to do. So I don't believe that I have a powder that's similar to this color. My nail tech did send me the one that I should have bought online, but it wasn't on Amazon, so I was like, sucks to suck. But I do have some acrylic powders from Mia's Secret. So I have a few, and that's why I was like, maybe I should just try to paint over whatever I want to do. Like do a gel X color on my nail first, and then do whatever design I want. This is kind of similar to like the set I have now, but I want to do it myself, and I want silver. So this might be an idea. My little gems are falling off. Like, this is not the vibe. I'll always have my equipment set up like this. I'll have whatever I need like in arm's reach. So whether that be my tools, they're in a cart right here. I'll show you that in a second. But I'll have like whatever filming equipment I need, because I also film TikToks with my phone. I'll have my iPad, whatever show I want to put on, whatever I want to watch. I'll always have a towel here. It doesn't matter what towel I have, just as long as it's not one of my like towels that I use for myself or my guests. Super sturdy, but love it. It came from TikTok shop, and it really does help me. I keep my tools up top. Also like my little heat lamps and all the other stuff. I mean my LED lamps. And then I'll have like my gel polishes here. These are new. I literally just put them there. I'll have like my gel polishes there, my alcohol pads, and like little design stuff that I'll use. And then down there are like all of my tips and press-ons. So we can honestly just get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did Chanel. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I can't, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
They're coming out nice. So I tried, what brand is this? Oh, I tried Mia's Secrets, and tell me if any of my DIY girlies had a problem with this powder. Like, I literally had to go back to my Old Faithful and use the Kiss powder because whatever is in Mia's Secrets, like I could not pick up the bead correctly. It was so bad. Like, this made me not want to do, like, that product made me not want to do my nails ever again, like acrylic wise. Because when I tell you, I couldn't even buff that thing out. But like, look at that. Like, look what it did. It literally was nude and then it started turning black. I'm like, excuse me? And it was so hard to mold. Like, it was the worst experience ever. I want to finish, and I have a couple products that I do want to try out, and I'm so nervous.
Tired of going out, scared of running into you. All of these whereabouts, what is it good to do? Say no to everything I'm invited to, and I can't do that. I'll be in section dolo, baby. Working on self-control, baby. Finna get anti-social on you. Damn, you know I hate the gloves, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. Damn, you know I hate the glove, but I came cause I knew you'd show up. Maybe if I drank enough, I'll make my way over to you. I hit the club. Homegirls told me you would be here. Besides you, ain't no one to see. It's a Saturday, shopping in LA, yeah, that's your shit. On the second floor with your pants down low, hanging on.
Honestly, for the work, that acrylics like you have to go through, it wasn't worth it. But they are kind of cute from far away. I don't really like them, so up close it's not the vibe. But when I finish up my nails, I like to take a cuticle nail oil. This one is my favorite one. This is the Milk and Honey, the Cuccio oil, and it smells so good. Like, it reminds me of the Dial soap. I think that's why I like it so much. Look, your girl be washing her hands. But no, they literally came out so cute. They're different for sure. But because I had the acrylic fill-in, I wanted to make sure that I at least kept the pink some way, somehow. Like, I have like my favorite nails. Like, I think the reason why I don't like the set is because my thumbs are ugly. When my thumbs are ugly, throw the whole set away. And they're ugly. I did a decent enough job on this hand, surprisingly. You know how hard it is to do your not dominant hand? Like, no, you know how hard it is to do your dominant hand. This one is my fave on my right hand. Like, I did my thing on this one. I'd rather do my nails at home than pay somebody to do it, honestly. Honestly, let me know, like, if you guys want starter tips on like Gel X, acrylic, I don't know too much about, and this was honestly rough. Cause look at this. Like, what? Like, here's an up close look, and of course I'll show you guys, but they look good from far away, I can't lie. Thumbs, you never really see thumbs like in videos, but like, girl.
Blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me.
I definitely can show you guys anything that I buy, like supply wise. I don't care. Just let your girl know. I'm so glad you guys got to do my nails with me. But that was it for today's video.